From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
Let's unbox a 4400. Let's unbox a 4400. 4400 by SC Electronics. A compact microphone with multi-pattern sonics. It comes in a case that's inside a box. It should keep the mic safe like it's locked in Fort Knox. Just 13 dB of noise. The specs look pretty tasty. Transformerless circuit keeps your transients hasty. 25 dB of mic sensitivity should work well with just an interface if that is your proclivity. 10 and 20 dB pads are more than sufficient. 40 and 80 HPF for cuts quite efficient. Perhaps a real headline is polar patterns times 4. It's like a multi-pattern mic that gives you one more. And that hyper-cardioid, a great sonic feature. A tighter polar pattern, a perfect VO creature. And inside the basket, a capsule like a K67. So it's a bit brighter, like a 414 meets a U87. And at a price point coming in just under $1,000, this may be the mic you're looking for to hang on your mic stand. The proof is in the demos that I will be posting soon. Maybe you'll cry and maybe you'll swoon. For the 4400 from SE Electronics, the 4400 from SE Electronics.